Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at new Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus. So let's go to the spec very quickly. It is around 150 pounds. You have few colors. You have black, you have white and a blue. Total hour of 22 hours of battery. So you have 11 hours of battery on the case and you have 11 hours battery on the earbuds. Two speakers for rich sounds, and you have a triple mic, 3 minutes of charge, you have 1 hour of use, and it is IP2. It is a water and sweat resistant, so you can use it for sports. If you're a very active person, you can use for day use, and you can use it for your sports activities as well. Two speakers for microphone, so that should give you a much better phone calls as well as a much better audio. Two speakers, the two speakers are like a 40% bigger than the normal ones they had it on the previous model, so that should give you like much better sound. And you have 3 mics, so that should be giving you much better to go for around. So let's look at it. It offers you wireless charging. You can charge them wirelessly. Also it does offer reverse charging, so if you have the Samsung S10, S10 Plus. So let's unbox this and see what is this about. We have a quick starter guide, warranty. That's pretty much it in the box. So you have a warranty and a quick starter guide. USB-C charger. You have a lot of earrings. You have sports earrings, and also you have the normal silicone earrings as well, medium, large and small. So that's pretty much it. There is nothing else in the box. First of all, I noticed it is have like shiny finish. The older model, a matte finish. So there is like, okay, that's the improvements on that. And not only that, because it's a glossy finish, you can see fingerprints. It's easy to see fingerprints. It's hard to record video even because it shines a lot. And you have the lights to indicate if it's charged or not. And you have USB. So you have the USB. So Samsung sound by AKG. It's look like a button, where the older one have like a stickers kind of a look. This one have like a proper buttons look. So left, right, it's look nice, but I like the old matte finish. It's the one of the best one, I think. Magnet is not that great still. Also these one have a matte finish as well, so you can see quite a lot shines. So it shines a lot. I think they moved from being discreet. Now they want to be stand out as a brand, which we can't complain. This is a brand. So let me connect it to my phone. When you connect it to it, it's giving you like options what you are good to go. So that's giving you a manual like how to use the buds. So it's have the same touchpads. You have a hold to touch, answer phone calls, next play next track and all that. And you have the ambient sound. That is something new they added. I'm very curious to see how they improved. Battery charging levels, red going to be low charge, medium and green and to be full charged. That you can connect a multiple so you can connect your tablets, you can connect your phone, you can connect your laptops, you can connect multiple devices together. So you have the battery of each of the earbuds. So now you can see all the charging status of all the earbuds and the case at the same time. This is where you have the ambient sound. You have same as equalizer wise. You get normal. I'm not sure normal what is that. So I'm very curious to see. You have the bass booster, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost. You have the touchpads where you can change. So if you want to change, and also you can add Spotify to this. Before you don't have that option. So if you are connected to Spotify, if you listen to Spotify and you can change that to Spotify, that means every time you click on the left, it will give you Spotify. Double tap, play next track, answer phone call. Triple tap, play previous track, touch and hold for declining a phone call. So on the lap you do get a few more options, which is going to be double the tap earbuds edge. So you can hold the edge for volumes ups and volumes down, and you have extra ambient volumes, so you can add that. If you go back, you do get a bit more on the ambient, so it's quite loud and it's feel weird when you start hearing your own voice. Also, you have a gaming mode that going to be minimize any audio delays. So we're going to try both of them to see what is this about. Definitely more bass and soft. I think the dynamic is the sound the best in my opinion. Clear or soft, it sound a bit more off. I like to have like really good audio. Definitely sounds much better. So this is going to be testing two things. One is the audio delays and second is the audio quality. Yes, that's how bass should be. Definitely have like really good sound. So far I've listened to songs, I've listened to lyrics. There is no delays. We're gonna turn on a game. I normally play it while I'm on the train. So let me turn the audio off. So every time you get a coin, it's giving you audio. So far there is no delays. There is no delay on the audio to video. So here, which is here, you can lower the volume by clicking on the side. So there is not much difference between the both the earbuds. With this is the older earbud, this is the new one. When you come to earbud wise, there's a main difference is going to be the finish on the earbuds, where this one will have more shinier finish, this will have like a matte finish. Look much better in my opinion. It doesn't like be a flashy, it's more of a discreet. Other than that, when you come to the cases wise, they're exactly the same. Similar sizes, only this is more shinier. The new ones offers you more battery life. If you are looking for a earbud for a longer battery, I definitely go for this plus. Older Galaxy Buds, they are around £100 because if the new one came out, the older one price went down, so they are £100 on Amazon. I'll leave the link below for both of these. The new one, they are £159. What is the main difference on the new one to the old one? So first, you have a much better microphone. So when you're taking phone calls, very similar audio quality to the AirPod Pros when you come to the mic, which is saying a lot to Samsung, because Samsung is their mic was rubbish. In my opinion, the older ones. The new one, they improved a lot. I would say 100% improvement. They improved the mic a lot. It sounds amazing when you come to phone calls. If you're looking for a headphone for answering phone calls and all that, I will go for the Plus. Both of them can use the earbuds individually, so there is no master and slave. And the older one have 13 hours of battery, which is 6 hours on the earbuds, and you have 7 hours on the case. The new one, you have 11 hours on the case and 11 hours on the earbuds. So definitely battery wise, there is a big improvement. So 13 hours to 22 hours. So if you're looking for like a longer battery earbuds, the Samsung Plus will be your ideal to go for. Charging wise, the older one, you have 15 minutes of charge, you have 1.5 hours of use. On the new one, you have 3 minutes of charge, 1 hour playtime, just 3 minutes. So it definitely offers you much quicker charging. Both of them are IP2. They are sweat and water resistant, so you can use it for sports and you can use it for day-to-day use. All the Galaxy Buds, you have one speaker, and the new Galaxy Buds, you have 2 speakers. So they definitely sound the best, and the speakers are 40% bigger than the older ones, so they sound much more clearer. So 2 mics compared to 3 mics, you can see the difference, you can feel the difference. On the 3 mics, they sound clearer. When you're on ambient sound mode, it's more richer and it's much more clearer, it's more natural. At the same time, when you put that the highest ambient sound, it's sound a bit like a robotic, where if you start hearing your own voice, it sounds a little bit weird. If you're an Apple user, Samsung just released a new app that you can use on your iPhones, have the same features and functionality of an Android phone user. So you have the same settings, same control, same equalizer, everything exactly the same, but you can use on your iPhone. So £100 to £150, is it worth it going for the Samsung Plus or the Samsung earbud, just the older one? So there is a 2 way to look at it. So if you are looking for a good microphone and a longer battery, so definitely going for the Samsung Plus is the best option. But if you don't really care about it, but if you want like really good audio, I will go for the Samsung Buds. It's exactly have the same features and the functionality except the battery life and mic. The sound quality wise, these sounds slightly better, but it's hardly noticeable. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, leave the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.